Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a video how to create a thumbnail for a YouTube video. As you can see, I already started on how to design my thumbnail. So we could go, I use website named canva.com and I used this since last year. So right here they have different creations of templates so you can choose, and most of them are free, but you can upgrade and just pay like a little. It's not a lot, it's just a little, but I'm cheap, so I'm trying to use the resources that I have here for free, and they're very good. So as you can see, there's many of them, plenty of them, and that's good. So now I chose this format, and I'll be putting 2 weeks in my old hometown in a bit. I chose this because soon you'll see, one of the videos you'll see why. It's just like a little hint where I'm gonna go next in my summer vacay. Also, you could play with it. There's like things on the top that you can do. You could change the font, the size, the color of it, the transparency of it, move it around, anything. Right now I'm just deleting the pictures because it doesn't make sense. So in the search board I'm looking for something that has to do with my hometown, and pretty much I'm using the picture that I used for my school presentation. It's really nice. I like it. That was my last PowerPoint full presentation that I get from my future class. So now I use that picture as my background. Yeah, that's what I'll be using. And it's in black and white, so it won't look that bad. So then I will go to the element section and I'll be searching for Mexico, and then they will give the versions of many things that I can use. So the green thing, I'll be using it, and I'll make it like in between the middle, and then from there I will put it transparent so it could lightly be seen but not be that much. Okay, so I think that's good. So then I will just be putting it stuff in to look good. Right here I chose a roses to be exact. I don't know, I thought it looked pretty, so I'm just going to put them right here on the side as a design and make them transparent as well. Or lighting color, pretty much all of these things I'm going to put lighting color so they won't pop off as much. But yeah. This is the Virgen de Guadalupe. I'm using it because it's part of my heritage culture. And I feel that I'm done. I think I did a good job. I think I'm liking it. So next what I'm going to do is save this image and download it. and then I'll be opening it to see how it looks like, and it's good. So next I'll be going to YouTube and going to my channel, and going to customize channel and just click I'll just click one of the random videos where I can upload the YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so here go to details, and right there I could change the YouTube thumbnail in that little box. And then I go to documents, I go to recent, and then I click to the recent one that I have. I click on it, open, and then from there I'll just click save. Thank you.